Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a really easy glam look. Something that's just simple but that you can wear out to like a dinner party or something. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video without further ado. Because this look is going to be fairly simple, I'm just going to start with my face makeup. And I'm going to go in with the E.L.F. Matte Oil Control Lotion. And we're going to use this as a primer today. I like to apply it to the center of my face and then kind of work out, just because with this primer my oiliest spots are in the center of my face and it's less oily around the edge of my face, so I'm more concerned about the center. I'm then going to go ahead and use the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and this one is in the shade D60. I'll just dot that around my face. And I just went in with one pump, so that's like a very light amount of that foundation, but I want my skin to kind of peek through just a little bit. I will be incorporating my June Ipsy bag as well in this video, and they actually sent me a concealer by IT Cosmetics. It's their Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. That is a name. So it comes in this little squeezy tube. This is just the tester size. Oh, and the concealer shade they sent me was Warm Deep. And it's gonna be kind of interesting. I've never used concealer from like a squeezy tube like this. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. It is like my skin tone color. I'm just gonna go in with my sponge and just kind of work it around my hand and then pick up a little bit on my sponge and go in. This is definitely the same color as my foundation. It's just a little bit more red, as you can see, but it is very like dewy. But we did one eye, so we have to do the other. I'll tap whatever excess on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, and my forehead to balance out my face. It seems like a fine concealer. I don't really use concealer to like conceal dark circles. I use it to brighten, so it's kind of hard to judge it, but it is very dewy. It's very dewy. Moving on to powder, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I use the shade 355. So I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline powder on a big fluffy brush and just do a light coating all over my face. And then I'm just going to move into my brows. I don't want a very sculpted brow. I want to just fill in where it needs and fix the shape where it needs to be fixed. Now I'm going to move into eyes, and for eyes I got this palette in my Ipsy bag. It's the ORYZA Beauty Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow palette. So it looks like this. It's mainly shimmer shades, but I think you can still get a full eye look out of this. So I'm just going to go in with the matte shade and take that all through my crease. This is a very nice shade. It actually contours my eye. Zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Then, just using my finger, I'm going to go in with this brown shade all over my lid. Oh, nice. I have a lot of like pigment in it. And then I'm going to go in with this pink shade just on the inner third of my eye. I will then go back in with the same brush we used in the crease and just go over it a bit so we have no harsh lines. Fix up that corner. And then I'm just gonna go into that contour shade again and just take that under the eye. I'm going to then go in with my Essence Lash Princess and just give my lashes a quick coat. And now that we're done with the eyes, we're going to move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to bronze with my Milani bronzer in Golden. And I'm going to go into my e.l.f. blush in Always Spicy. Rosy cheek. I'll then take my Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter to highlight, as well as a little bit on my pinky, and just touch my inner corner. And then for lips, I got the Estee Lip Icing in the shade Drip, and it's very pink. I'm going to go in with the nude color first and then put this over top. So I'm just going to go in with the Maybelline lipstick in Maple Kiss. And then I'll take a little bit of the gloss right over top. And that completes this really simple glam look. And then I want to show you what else I got in my Ipsy bag. So I also got the 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter. This is a hydrating curl cream. So I'll test this out next time I wash my hair. And then I also got the Laboratories Filorga Paris Time Filler. And this is a absolute wrinkle correction cream, which I don't know why they sent this. I did not say I have issues with wrinkles, and I don't, so I don't know how I'm going to test it out, but that completes today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and until next time, bye!